This is how to use your card without ever paying interest. Banks use it too. You must understand that a credit card is not extra money. It's a short-term, interest-free loan with conditions. When you break the conditions, you pay. If you respect the conditions, you win. It's as simple as that. Now we understand that. We can agree that credit cards don't make people broke. Misusing it does. Having understood it this far, here is the golden rule of credit cards. Always pay your full statement balance before the due date. You are not paying the minimum payment. You are not paying most of it. Not, "I'll catch up next month." You are paying full, complete statement, corresponding balance every time. That's how you avoid interest completely. You might already know this, but let me just say it anyways. If you're paying interest, you're playing the game wrong. Another hidden advantage in using a credit card is understanding the billing cycle. Most people don't even know this exists, and that's where they lose. A credit card works in cycles. Billing cycle, approximately 30 days of spending. Statement date, when your bill is generated. Due date, usually 2 to 3 weeks after. Now, here's the key to understand it perfectly. If you buy something right after your statement closes, you can get up to 45 to 55 days interest-free. Let's explain it with an example. Statement closes April 1st. You buy on April 2nd. Due date, April 25th. This means you just got nearly 2 months of free credit. This is how smart people use credits. The rich don't avoid credit. They control the timing, and controlling the timing makes the difference. There is something called the interest trap. We all know interest only hits when you don't pay in full or you carry a balance. And once interest starts, it compounds, and how people plunge into debts. You see, minimum payments aren't helping you. They're trapping you. If you ask me, I'd say avoid it entirely. Now I'm going to teach you what I call the smart user system. It's a step-by-step guide on how to use your credit card properly without paying any interests at all. Ready? Let's go. 1. Treat your credit card like a debit card. If you don't have the cash, don't swipe. This simply means spend what you can afford. It will keep you in control. 2. Pay before the due date, not on the due date. Don't cut it close. Pay a few days early. This singular action gives you points on your score, and of course, there is no interest. 3. Track your spending. Weekly, not monthly, do it weekly. It lets you know what's going on, keeps you in charge. 4. Keep utilization low. Use less than 30% of your limit. For best results, use under 10%. This directly boosts your FICO score. Please understand that in credit, high limits don't hurt you, high usage is what does. 5. Use autopay, but don't trust it blindly. Set autopay for full balance, but still check manually. Paying automatically gives you the edge, and you won't miss a payment. If you want more advanced moves so you can play the credit game like a boss, then here it is. This is where you get ahead. 1. Pay twice a month. This move lowers your reported balance, and the result is higher credit score, no extra cost. 2. Spend right after statement date. This move maximizes interest-free time. 3. Increase your limit, but not your spending. This means higher limit equals lower utilization ratio. 4. Keep old cards open. Remember, the length of credit history matters for your FICO score. This means that old cards are assets. Don't discard them. Don't kill your history. Did you get all that? Was it helpful? Tell us in the comments. If you use a credit card properly, you will achieve the following. 1. Zero interest. You literally borrow money for free. 2. Build a strong credit score. This alone helps you live better. A good credit score unlocks better loans, lower interest rates, higher limits. 3. Rewards and cashback. You get paid to spend money you were already going to spend. 4. Fraud protection. This is safer than debit cards. 5. Financial flexibility. Short-term liquidity without penalties. Remember, if used right, a credit card is a tool. Used wrong, it's a trap. Don't make these mistakes. 1. Paying minimum only. This is how debt grows silently. 2. Missing due dates. It leads to late fees, score drops interest charges. 3. Maxing out cards. This kills your FICO score. 4. Closing old accounts. This shortens your credit history. 5. Emotional spending. This is the real killer. Spend what you pay. Understand that your habits matter more than your limit. Poor users think, I have limit, I can spend. Smart users think, I have cash, I can use credit strategically. Discipline beats income every time. If you are a new credit card user, try this simple monthly system week 1. Spend normally week 2. Check balance week 3, adjust spending. Week 4, pay full balance, then repeat. The system is simple. Spend what you already have. Pay everything on time. Keep balances low, that's it. But most people won't do it consistently because consistency is the most difficult thing to cultivate. Remember, banks don't fear smart users. They profit from careless ones. When you pay in full, avoid interest. Use rewards. You flip the system. The goal isn't to avoid credit, it's to master it. If this video opened your eyes, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.